Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. Hope you all are having a great day ahead and hope you all are having fun chanting and praying for Baba. Today I was guided that I should tell you all to just chant 108 times Om Sai Ram in the morning to start your day, and if possible to make some sweet, keep it for him and offer to some stray animal. So if possible today morning start your day with Om Sai Ram, and also if you can offer some sweet to him when you're chanting in front of him, and then you can have that prasad and you can also give it to your family members. Along with that, definitely feed some stray animal or a stray dog the prasad that you're keeping for Shirdi side today. So that is something which the moment I started to sit for cards, it came today, so I thought I should tell you all. Now let's see what is his message. I have pulled 3 cards and kept. Okay, be content. So maybe there has been a lot of dissatisfaction around you, or you feel that things are not going your way. But Baba is saying just be content with what is happening, because definitely he doesn't mean he's not going to give you anything. I feel he means that things will become better. Just be happy with what you have, and when the right time comes, I'm sure he is going to give you more than what you are expecting from him, and he will bless you with lot and lot of happiness and beautiful energies. Now let's see what's the next card. Karmic connection. So maybe see, he's saying Baba has a karmic connection with his devotees. So maybe whatever is happening which is not satisfying you, or which is not making you happy, or in another way what is making you extremely happy and what is making you really secure and safe, is basically a karmic connection. So Baba is saying there is some karmic connection which is happening in your life right now. So just deal with it. If they are meant to be with you lifelong, they will be with you. If they are not meant to be with you lifelong, when the karma gets over, automatically they shall leave you and go. So basically Baba is preparing you to be content with what is happening in the present, and not fear for the future, and not worry about what is going to come or what is going to happen. Let's see the last card. So basically Baba is just saying, surrender to him. He will see what is the right decision for you. He will do what is needed for you, and I'm sure when he decides to do something for you, it is just going to be for your good, and it is going to be the best. And you will obviously, find him smiling and find him giving you what is actually needed for you. He will never let you down. He will never allow you to get hurt. And even if he does allow you to get hurt, maybe it is a lesson that you need to learn, because of which he is making you get hurt. But in just some time, he will hold your hands and he'll pull you out of it, and he'll make you happy. So please follow what I asked you to do today, and just pray to Baba that he blesses you with immense happiness and joy. Om Sai Ram.